Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe Blow Gaming. You already know what time it is. Guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I do apologize for the little break I took. I had to finish my course. I'm all done. So today's video is going to be how to create your own Minecraft CraftBukkit server to install plugins and to be able to play with your friends. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I try making the video very quick and straightforward. Let me know down in the comments below. Adios, guys. Alright, guys, let's hop into this. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do here is right click on our desktop. We're going to go to new folder. We're going to name it Minecraft server, like that. Okay, so now we have our Minecraft server folder created. Now everything in the video is going to be linked in the description, guys. Also in this video I will be teaching you guys on how to port forward the server, only on how to create the Minecraft plugin. If you want to know how to port forward, I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, guys. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do now that we created our folder is then you're going to also come up to here. You're going to click on the version. So I'm showing you guys on how to install, how to create a Minecraft plugin server from Minecraft 1.17.1. So click on CraftBukkit. It's going to bring you directly here. You're going to want to click download on the 1.17.1 version. Once you're done that, you're also going to click download right here, and it should download the file. One more thing I do want to advise is you guys will need to download this Java SC Development Kit 16 downloads. I'm going to leave the link in the description. What you're going to want to do is if you have a Windows, you're going to scroll all the way down, and then right here you're going to see Windows x64 installer, and you're going to download it right here, and you have to install it or else the server won't work. Alright, guys, so make sure you download this Java. Alright, so now we have our CraftBukkit file downloaded. What we're going to go ahead and do is drag it to our Minecraft server. Now, what we're going to do is open up the actual folder. I'm going to come here and rename this. So I'm going to get rid of the 1.17. I'm just going to name it CraftBukkit just to make it a lot easier. Now, if you guys watch my videos, you guys will understand why I'm renaming it. If you have the same file, just make sure you just rename it to CraftBukkit. It's a lot easier like that. Now, what we do need is you're going to need to go to the second link in the description. You're going to highlight this right here. This script right here. You're going to highlight it, copy it. We're going to go to our Minecraft server. We're going to right click new. We're going to add a text document. We're going to double click it to open it up. And then we're going to click Control V. So what we simply did is we just created a new text document in our MC folder. We copied and pasted this off the Minecraft.net. And then we copied and pasted into our new text document that we created within our server folder. So here's what I like to do. Automatically, I'm going to come here and change the numbers to 2048, and that means it's going to add 2 gigabytes of RAM to the actual server. And I recommend everybody do this because then it just minimizes lag. At 1 gigabyte, it's really not the best. Another thing I like to do is come under here and write pause. So if there's any issues that come up, it will pause the console, and you'll be able to see what's wrong with it. So now the last step we need to do is basically get rid of this Minecraft underscore server dot 1.17.1, and all we're going to do is keep the .jar, and then we're going to put CraftBukkit. Exact same thing as this file right here. Now, if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that this is extremely important, because if you don't copy this and put the .jar as well after, it will not open this forge file, okay? So you need to make sure that the CraftBukkit.jar, this CraftBukkit, says the exact same thing as this one. If there's a capital C, make sure you put a capital C. It has to be the exact same thing. I put everything lowercase just to make it easier. Now, next thing we're going to do is click File, Save As. We're going to put it as all files down here instead of a text document. And we're going to change this to run.bat. Alright, guys. And then what we're going to go ahead and click Save. So now you can see we went ahead and created. We can actually delete the new text document right here, since we have the run CraftBukkit, the run command, and the CraftBukkit forge file. Again, make sure you download the Java SC Development Kit 16, or else this won't work. Alright, guys. So now we pretty much have everything ready. Alright, guys. So what we're going to go ahead and do is double click on run. What's going to happen is you can see now it's loading the libraries. It's going to launch up the server. It's going to create the ULA file, which we are going to need to accept. So when this happens, you press any key to continue, and then you're going to open up the ULA file right here, and we're going to name this, instead of false, we're going to put it to true. File, save, And then let's reopen the server. Double click on run again, and it should completely launch the server. And as you can see, it is. So now you can see it's going to create all the folders we need. All right, guys. Now, this is going to be a plugin server. So this isn't an average normal server. This is a server to be created to play with your friends and to have fun. Okay, so what you could do is install ranks. You could do a bunch of things like that. Also, I did want to ask your guys' opinion really quickly. I was thinking of making a massive Minecraft server, like a legitimate Minecraft server, and I just wanted to hear your guys' opinion on that. Would you guys like me to do that? Because anybody could join the server and play, and you guys could get ranks, like a legitimate server, and that's something I've been thinking about for a long time. So if you guys are willing for me to do that, I will buy a server hosting, and I will create a massive server with a spawn, everything like that for you guys. So let me know down in the comments below, and of course, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to let me know down below. No question is a dumb question, so I really do appreciate when you guys leave questions, and it helps me help you guys. So you can see now the server's done. It's created a lot more files than it usually would in our normal Minecraft server vanilla. So what we can do is type stop, and it'll go ahead and stop the server. Now, one thing I do also want to advise to you guys is, like I said, it created a lot more folders than the actual vanilla server that I've been teaching you guys, which is fine, okay? Don't worry about that. It's kind of basically the same. The only thing really, instead of it adds a plugin server, it adds the ops command. You have your server property right here if you still want to go ahead and play around with that. So what we're going to go ahead and do is now we need to install a plugin, okay? So for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and use World Edit for this example, okay, guys? Now, I do know that the latest version for World Edit was updated to Minecraft 1.17.1. Even if you click on files here, you'll be able to see 1.17.1 right here. So if you guys want to download the World Edit, which I recommend you do if you're going to create a CraftBukkit server, I definitely recommend you download World Edit. It's really useful. So let's go ahead and put download the Minecraft beta 1.17.1 here. We're going to go ahead and download this file. So we're going to click on download right here. As you can see now, it's going to download it. Or what you could also do is come here and click download the latest file, and it'll download this file right here, which is the same one we just downloaded. Alright, so you can see our World Edit has downloaded. What I'm going to go ahead and just drag it into our plugins folder. So anytime you're going to actually install a plugin to your Minecraft, you need to drag it in your plugins folder. Okay, guys? So that's basically how you create yourself a CraftBukkit server and install plugins on your server. So if you guys were wondering, oh, how do I not make a normal vanilla Minecraft? Well, this is how. So now what we're going to go to do is run the server, and that's pretty much it, guys. We are done. We have installed a plugin. We have done everything we needed to do. Everything is good to go. You can see it's going to launch up everything now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is let the server launch up. I'm going to go ahead and load into Minecraft, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, guys, here we are in the Minecraft here. Let's go ahead and launch this up. So we're going to click on multiplayer. We're going to add server. What I'm going to do is, as always, I just type in 0, done, and the Minecraft should come up. There you go. So anytime you want to play locally on your own Wi-Fi, you can just type in 0, and it should come up. So let's go ahead and join the server, and we should be all good to go. Alright, so as you guys can see now, we are currently in the actual Minecraft server, which is amazing. It worked. We're all good to go. I went ahead and opt myself. So if you guys don't know how to opt yourself, you just open up your console, you type in op, and then your player name, and you should be all good to go. So we installed the World Edit plugin. Let's see if it works. So if we type in //wand, there you go. You got yourself World Edit, guys. And that's how you do it. So that's how you actually go ahead and create your own CraftBukkit server. Again, you can install way more plugins than just World Edit. I was just giving you guys an example. What I would do is install like Essentials, World Guard, World Edit. I would add in ranks, things like that. So this is what I was thinking on doing for you guys, was creating a Minecraft server. If you guys would like to see that, please let me know down in the comments below, guys. And again, I do apologize for not having the webcam. I'm having issues with it. I might have to get a new one, so I do apologize for that, but I'm definitely working on that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, guys. We are almost at 600 subscribers. That is absolutely nuts. I can't even thank you guys enough. I'm finally also done my course, so I will be able to do a lot more videos again. So I really do appreciate you guys' patience. I really do appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. Without you guys, man, we wouldn't be here today. So I really thank you guys so much. We're almost at 1,000, guys. Let's keep pushing it. We can get there. I know we can. We're absolute animals. So I'm going to start uploading every single day again because I'm free. And I'm really excited. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it, guys. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Adios.